In 17th century and 19th century, ether theories were widely accepted by scientists. These theories were defeated twice in 18th century and 20th century. The reason why ether theories lost was physical constants. Newton's gravitational constant defeated ether gravitational theory, and the constant of light speed and Planck constant defeated ether electromagnetic theory. There are no so-called constants in this universe. Abandon constant, you will see a very peaceful and harmony universe. Differences between ether theories and constant physics. Ether theories include 17th century ether gravitational theory, 19th century ether electromagnetic theory, the theory of active resonance, and so on. They all belong to the theory of action through media. Constant physics include the law of universal gravitation, the theory of relativity, quantum physics, and so on. They all belong to the theory of action at a distance. Heroes of ether theories: René Descartes, Christian Huygens, Robert Hooke, Gottfried Leibniz, Michael Faraday, James Clerk Maxwell, Nikola Tesla, and so on. Heroes of constant physics: Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Werner Heisenberg, Erwin Schrödinger, and so on. 1. A torsion balance, the mass of the Earth. About 200 years ago, constant physicist Henry Cavendish weighed the mass of the Earth with a torsion balance. There are several mistakes in his experiment. Carrying through these errors, this would mean that the masses of the Earth and other large celestial bodies would also be incorrect. In the formula of the law of universal gravitation, as there are two masses, if the masses of the Earth and the other large celestial bodies are incorrect, this would mean that the law in many other theories in astronomy and earth science would collapse. 2. The reason for natural disasters. There is something similar in form to a rope between Sun and Earth, which can be described as a type of an energy line. There are three sizable power lines between galactic core and Sun, Sun and the Jupiter, as well as Sun and Saturn. When the Earth passes these lines, as it has regularly been doing, natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods as well as global warming occur. 3. The law of universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that every point mass in the universe attracts every other point mass with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The theory of active resonance states that keeping distance unchanged, the attractive force between two objects is not a constant. It varies with surroundings. We can calculate attractive force accurately between any two ants on our planet with the formula of the law of universal gravitation. It's just an illusion. 4. Several oil drops, the mass of electron. The currently accepted mass of an electron is 0. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 9100938 kilograms, which was discovered by Robert Andrews Millikan by weighing it with several oil drops. When it is so difficult to obtain the mass of pollen, the accuracy of the weighing of the electron, which is infinitesimally smaller, seems to be out of perspective. It then follows that if the accuracy of the electron charge and mass is in doubt, then theories in quantum physics are also brought into suspicion. 5. The atom model. The electron is a type of energy sent out by the atom instead of a component of it. There is only one type of particle in the atom, which is the proton. The neutron is identical to the proton in the atomic nucleus. 6. The speed of light in vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is not a constant. Constant physicists need light year to measure distance in universe, so they choose the assumption. 7. The model of the universe. The Big Bang theory is a widely accepted theory. Based on the ether theory, the Big Bang theory would also be incorrect. Similar to sound, light loses its energy gradually on its way to Earth, which causes the red shift. If a star were far enough away from the Earth, the light from that star would lose all its energy before reaching the planet. It would mean that only a small portion of the universe is visible to the Earth, which in turn would put the Earth at the center of that part of the visible universe. A larger universe surrounds the visible portion of the universe, but because it is too far away, it is invisible to the population of the Earth. 8. Galactic long bar. The galactic long bar in our Milky Way has only recently been discovered, and scientists are still trying to determine its function. The theory of active resonance states that stars are pulled into the long bar when they are old. They then decompose in the galactic core. Newborn protons subsequently escape the galactic core and gather in the outskirts of the galaxy. It is then where new stars are born. 9. The model of the Earth. As already stated, the constant physicist couldn't weigh the Earth mass with torsion balance, which means that the mass of the Earth is currently unknown. The current Earth's model which based on it would be wrong. The active resonance theory shows that the Earth has two surfaces and two crusts with a lava layer between these two crusts, its thickness being approximately 695 kilometers. It would mean that there is an inner universe within the Earth, the diameter of which is more than 10,000 kilometers. 10. Crop circles. According to the theory of active resonance, crop circles are made by anti-gravity spaceships. Most likely they are manned by aliens from the inner surfaces of Mars and the 3 satellites of Jupiter. It's very dark on the inner surface, so creatures' eyes are big. 11. Anti-gravity technology. The planet Earth sends out a sizable amount of energy every second. Humans will be able to master anti-gravity technology through electromagnetic eruption phenomenon and magnetic gravity force unsymmetrical growth phenomenon. It may enable sufficient and clean energy sources for the future. 12. Gravitational storms. The active resonance theory states that underground gravitational storms are the main reasons for earthquakes, floods, typhoons, sandstorms, bushfires, etc.